Sinigang na Bangus. Oh, this one is a milkfish. But sinigang is a soup, is a sour soup. Oh, sorry about that. At the Vicky is also frying the other half of the bangus, the milkfish. Oh, the soup here is really good. It's spicy, but a bit bitter or sour, but that's how sinigang is. Yep, it's so good. So okay, so let's start. Here's the milkfish. It's quite big. We're gonna cut it in half. The upper half with the belly will be for the sinigang here, and the other half, the tail end, will be for fried bangus. Right here, Ate Vicky is cutting the eggplants. Here's the okra and some sweet potato leaves or talbos. It could be talbos ng kamote or anything. Here's the native trick. You gotta boil the water with the onion, some garlic, and tomatoes. And here you can see the green chili and some salt before you put the fish. This way, the fishiness or langsa won't get to the soup. Here, once it's boiling, you can put the fish now, the bangus. Oh yeah. This way, it's not gonna be malangsa or fishy, the smell or the taste. Yes. Put the other half there. Now we cover it up, let it bring it to a boil. Yep. Once it's boiling, well, that's me, sorry. I had to put two sun-dried chili, so that's gonna be really good. Yes. A few minutes later, about 3 minutes later, it's boiling good. Oh yeah. Now, Ate Vicky can do her thing. Here's the Daikon radish, sorry, and the eggplant. Yes, lots of eggplant is gonna be so good because it's gonna get tender and it's really good. It actually tastes really good with the sinigang. It can be a sinigang na fish like this or even pork. I love it. Right, cover it up. Make sure you bring it to a boil. So okay, about 2 minutes or so. Once it's boiling, here now we put one sachet of Knorr sinigang mix, the original one, sinigang sa sampalok mix. So just one sachet. All right. Okay, Ate Vicky is still looking for her scoop. She forgot it. All right, here one sachet of sinigang mix, sinigang sa sampalok. Yeah, and actually the sinigang, usually they use sampalok. That's for the sourness of it. And we'll talk more about that later. Bring this to a boil again. It's getting good. Oh yeah, smelling really good. Now it's for the sweet potato leaves or talbos ng kamote. I asked Ate Vicky to add a little bit more than usual because I love this on the soup because once it gets tender, it is so good. The greens are just awesome. Yep, cover this like this. Yes, we'll bring it to a boil for another 2 minutes. Sorry about that, the washing machine noise. Here it's been boiling after 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Yes, now Ate Vicky is careful mixing it because we don't want we don't want her breaking apart the bangus, the fish, because it's already soft enough. Tasting it, oh, she said it needs more salt. So you get salt and pepper to taste it. We had a bit of magic sarap, so it's so good. That's all optional. This is seasoning. Here's some salt. Alright, now you're gonna mix it again. And then she's careful mixing it because she doesn't want the fish meat or the fish to break apart because it's already soft. It's been boiling good. Yep, this is about so good. Gonna try it again. If it's good enough, then yep, it's good. So I told her try to flip one of the piece of the bangus for pictures and for the thumbnail, but she's actually scared of. She said we might break apart. I told her just do it carefully, just flip it like that. There, she worried it might break apart. I told her, okay, like this, just flip it so we can see it. Like, let me help her. There, I told her that's perfect. That's good for pictures. Yep. Yes, sinigang sa bangus or sinigang na bangus. This is so good. You can see the green chili and the red chili. That's perfect. I love this a bit spicy and good. Look at that. Yes, the bangus belly is so good right there. Oh yeah, sorry about that. The Vicky is frying the other half for fried bangus. This is our lunch. Sinigang sa bangus and fried bangus. Perfect combination, right? Oh, look at that. So good, right? Yep, this you guys gotta try this. This is really perfect. And actually, like I mentioned earlier, there's also sinigang sa sampalok. So we might do that soon. It's tamarind sampalok, and of course sinigang sa bayabas, which is guava. They use green guava. It gives all excellent flavors. Yep, we gotta try that soon. All right. Yes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe so you can check out all the other good stuff here. All right. Yeah.